Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. This is Mr. Pashkin. I have some important announcements to start your Monday. I'm here to officially announce that as of tomorrow morning, I will be resigning from my position as your principal and will begin my career as a rap star. It's been a lifelong dream of mine to perform live rap, so I think you'll be happy to hear about this. I'll be releasing an album in the upcoming future with my old friend from high school, Mr. Aubrey Graham. Together, we're going to create the hottest album since me hitting the whoa at Pep Rally. Now, some of you may be thinking you won't be in good hands after I leave, but don't worry, your new principal will be Mr. Matt Caples. This concludes my morning announcements, so if you ever want to reach out to me during my time of fame, make sure to make that hotline bling, because that can only mean one thing. I'll catch you all on the flip cam. And live from Bayshore, it's Saturday night.
It's Saturday Night Squad. Joe Brass, Stasha DeBonis, Andrea Iggy, Katie Kelly, Michael Lord, Christina Mendolia, Katie Malpigli, Christopher Scher, Michael Rotello,
musical guest, Boys for Sure,
and your host, Robert Pashkin.